this video, you're going to see how you can insert tables in Microsoft Excel worksheets. Let's go ahead and start. So you open your worksheet, and then at the menu bar, you can go to Insert, and then choose Table. So over here, you have to choose Arrange, where you can apply the function of inserting a table. So in this case, I'll choose these cells or this range, and then I'll click OK. As you can see, here is my table. It has these headers: column 1, column 2, column 3, up to column 9. And you can see what happens. You can filter and so on. You can sort from A to Z just at a glance, and you can edit these columns, and then you can give them your preferable names. So like here I can say this is number, and then here I can say this is item 1, this is item 2, this is item 3, this is item 4, this is item 5, item 6, item 7, and item 8. See, and then here you can have your values as you want them to appear. Here you can have your values. Okay. Good. So here you can maybe say these were fruits, so oranges, bananas, apples, what else? Mangoes. Okay. So do this again: oranges, mangoes, apple, banana. Okay, apples, bananas, oranges, and so on and so on. So here you can decide to filter, so you can say I only want to see bananas, and then you click OK. Then you'll have your bananas and so on. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on notification. I'll see you in the next video.